Hello, today we will guide you through how to add multiple workspaces to Slack on desktop. To begin, open Slack on your desktop and make sure you are already inside one of your existing workspaces. You should be on the main Slack screen where you can see your channels and conversations. Starting from an active workspace is helpful because it gives you access to the Workspace switcher, which is where you can add another one. Next, move your attention to the top left area of the Slack window and click on your profile or workspace account area. This section is where Slack groups account and workspace options together. When you click there, a menu will open with several choices related to your current setup. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to look carefully near the top of the left sidebar. From that menu, select Add a Workspace. This tells Slack that you want to connect another workspace to the desktop app, so you can manage more than one from the same place. This is especially useful if you work with different teams, clients, or departments and want to switch between them without signing out each time. After that, click Create a new workspace. This option is for anyone who wants to set up a brand new Slack workspace rather than joining an existing one. Be sure to choose the correct option here, since Slack may also show other choices depending on your account status or previous activity. Once you do that, Slack will take you to the next stage where you can either log in or create a new account, depending on what you need. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the setup. The exact screens may vary slightly, but Slack will guide you through the process step by step. If you are creating something new, take your time to read each prompt so everything is set up correctly. As a helpful tip, once the process is complete, your new workspace should appear alongside your existing one in the Slack desktop app. That makes it easy to switch between workspaces whenever needed. If a page takes a moment to load, just wait briefly and continue following the prompts. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of adding another workspace in Slack on desktop, starting from your current workspace, opening the account menu, choosing to add a workspace, selecting the option to create a new one, and then completing the login or account setup on screen.